everyone, in this video I show you how to edit videos using Adobe Premiere Pro, step by step, perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Okay, I just open Adobe Premiere Pro. The first step is to create a new project. When you open Premiere Pro, you will see this welcome screen. Click New Project and give your project a name. Yes, example. You can also selecting where to save it by clicking Browse. Once done, I want to save it. Why is it so slow? Here. So make new project. Okay, now let's import some media. Okay, right click here and okay, let's import some media. You just create the new bin and right click on the bin and import. And now you must import your videos. What do you want to edit? Just open the bin. Yes, and you have the videos here. Now drag it to the timeline. Yes. Good. Like this. And okay, to edit your video, you can shorten clips by dragging the edges. This, like this. No, this, like this. Yes. Okay. I think good. No. Like this. Yeah. That's good. Okay. You can also adjust the volume by the right clicking on the audio and selecting audio gain, this one, and you can edit the audio here. Okay, I don't want to do that. And let's cut the videos. Click on the razor tool, and now click cut. Yes, you have the cuts here. Okay. Now, want to add some text? Just click here. Type 2. Just click on the preview and edit the text. Yes, like this. Okay, you can give it here and give it here, and the box one you can give on the text, for example. Both sides. Okay, and on the middle of the video, here is diamond. I gave it. Yes. Yes. Okay. And let's import some music. Drag it here and cut it here on where the clip ends, and now just export the video. Go back here, file, export media, export. Okay, you see the exported video. Now